how to fix locked Apple ID. Now if your Apple ID has been locked and then you want to go ahead and then unlock it because it's been disabled, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch a Safari browser. Then you want to go to support.apple.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Just go to support.apple.com right here. Now what you want to do after that is, after you come here, scroll down and tap on this option that says get support and tap on the start now button. When you tap on the start now button over here, you will see this Apple account here. It says disabled Apple account. So what you want to do is tap on the disabled Apple account button. Here you have to select this account is locked alert because this is the notification that you're getting. So tap on that this account is locked alert. After you've done that, tap on continue and you'll be able to view your support options. Here you can see it will ask me to unlock my account. It says you can request an unlock here by providing some information. So of course you can tap on get started right there, and once you tap on get started, on the next page simply enter the email address and anything associated with your Apple ID like your phone number. Then verify the I'm not a robot captcha, then tap on continue, and then you will be able to follow the on-screen prompts to unlock your disabled account. I hope that this video has helped you guys. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.